Yes, my people, that na program where you dey wait for. I welcome you to this program, How Una See Am. How Una See Am na that program where we did make sure say we bring the truth. We go first go check and come confirm am before we will bring and come for you. That na the program we dey do for this television station EBS, because How Una See Am na wetin everybody wan check to know the truth of every matter. Today we don't bring topic wey concern me, concern you, concern the whole world. Yes, before I tell you the topic, na me, una friend, una brother, Odion Omoegbe, where everybody known as Ezuzu. See am, Ezuzu, the confirmation chairman. Today, we don't go out to go confirm something. Remember, it don't pass over a year plus now. Coronavirus, it don't take over the world. Can't hold the world, everything can be slow. Yes, now so it be. But say, the world not still sleep. They come make sure say they come bring what they call vaccine. Vaccine now that injection where they go give you to stop that sickness where they spread, make it not spread and make it not affect you. This now what it can happen. The different place for the country, they don't they take am. Nigeria can still get am. You know say when the vaccine matter just start, Nigeria don't they do everything to saving people. They confess say the one where they you know fit get where we go keep on. But today, AstraZeneca vaccine, where they do for India, it can't be waiting. Even those Oyibo people, now in they can't even they use now. And Nigeria can still go, can bring and come Nigeria. You see, the president, Muhammadu Buhari, the vice president, Yemi Oshibanjo, all of them with plenty BB Goga, they can't take am for public. Make
issue on coronavirus.
Now, PG program, how now? Yeah.
How I see am be say the coronavirus na something when it come, and we believe say e go go one day by the grace of God. But as e dey now, say e never go, e still dey. If the vaccine don come Nigeria and the president don take, the governors they don take, everybody is not the same. Why? Because for family, everybody not fit be the same. My yes will fit be my brother, no. But if your mind clean, say you want take the vaccine, you fit take am. But if your mind is not clean, they tell you say if you take am, you go die. You not fit take am. Not be by force.
So right now, make I use you to start, for example, your mind clean, you go take?
My mind clean.
You go take am?
I go take am. If my mind say me I take am, I go take am. That is the truth, because as I dey now, I be pastor. Now you want come give me vaccine. That one go against my faith now.
Okay.
As a pastor.
Okay.
So I no fit take am. Based on my faith.
Okay, how about your congregation? All the members where they worship for your church. How you will take advise them make they take? Susan say go against your own.
Them take. Now it's their choice.
Okay.
Some fit agree to take am.
Okay.
Some fit not agree to take am. Then we say I stand with my pastor. Now the truth be that, because if I can, I can't talk am now say make una not take. Go come be say I dey go against wetin government talk.
Yes.
No matter how we see am, na Nigeria we dey. Bible say obey the government. So wetin government talk, we go obey am. But make dem not put am say it's compulsory or by force.
Okay, not be by force. Who go take, make it take.
Make it take. Who not go take, make them leave am.
Okay.
That is the truth. Because now one day now coronavirus enter the world. And we as pastors, we dey pray every day, make coronavirus go. But Nigerian government make them still dey open to we. So that as the thing take dey go, we dey see everything clearly. No be say we no believe say coronavirus dey, but na the way when the government of Nigeria take handle am, you know, that is why you see I say some people dey say e no dey, some say e dey, some say dem no take vaccine, some say dem go take. If Nigerian government they are faithful to Nigerian people, they are transparent to us. If the vaccine come, all of us will still take am, na good thing. not be bad thing, you know. Yes, everybody blood no fit be the same. Some dey react, some not dey react.
Yes.
You know, but
So that not mean say not be the vaccine. Na im bad.
no,
Nah, it depends on how your body be.
every sickness gets cure.
Okay.
Every sickness must get its own drugs. As headache dey do person, you take Panadol, paracetamol, you wear. Na so vaccine be for this coronavirus. If you get coronavirus, people wey dey don get am, no be drugs dey take treat
Now
you.
they treat
Na
them.
make dem well. You know, and the major thing be say our leaders na dem bring coronavirus enter Nigeria.
Na the whole world na coronavirus dey na. No, na the whole world e dey.
Na the whole world.
Na person carry am.
Now they talk.
Na from person enter the other
Who
person.
be the person wey bring am?
Na one of the leader na the first person wey we know. Wetin be that him name sef?
I don't know him
I don forget him name. E go come na so na malaria na one person start am.
Oga, wetin I first talk, I say na our leaders carry am enter Nigeria.
Okay, now our leaders don bring vaccine. Make we see
Yes,
obey.
they don bring vaccine, make we obey.
The wetin dem bring, dem
But
wan
the
remove
vaccine wey
am.
dem bring, make dem dey transparent
E
to
clear
us.
na access Anaka na India dey do am. So we no get another place where they dey do am. We no buy America own, we no buy Australia own. Na where we know. The one wey fit good for our temperature, our nature, and our way for Africa. Na we buy. Other place like the one where the Pfizer dey do, we no fit buy that one because we no get where to cool am.
All of them dey do, all of them their own dey do. No
So
get
wetin
one
dey,
wey no dey work.
make we crown am up now. Wetin dey, make we obey government. Abi?
Yes, make we obey government and make we take the vaccine.
Na so you see am.
Make government also obey us.
Good.
But na we put them for power.
Na so. Thank you.
If they do wetin we want, we
Go
go
do wetin dem want.
All of us will go together.
More live am like
Now
that.
we be the
More
Nigeria.
live am like
God
that.
bless you.
You go tell me why
Me
later.
no even believe say kolo dey o.
You no believe?
Me no even
Me
believe.
just see you do. I waka go
Me
there.
no see who.
Me don waka go there. I see people for bed with my eye. They dress me up.
If they say
I see person wey relate to me.
Okay.
He get am. He
Okay.
well.
Okay.
So na me dey tell you now
if
say e
they say
dey.
if they say vaccine dey, if I see am I go take because prevention is better than cure.
Bam. Na take.
I no go take o.
Why?
So what is that do now? Wetin person take?
Buhari don take. Vice President don take. Don reach Edo State. Governor Obaseki don
Don
take.
take, yes.
You see am.
Hear am.
You hear
On
am.
news.
Na free na. Na to save everybody. Now they don take. If before you come reach we wey be ordinary people body, wetin come make you say you no go take?
The reason why me no go take because you no go just near us at all.
Eh?
Me
No be
wan
near
take.
na. I know polo. I know this polo where they do people. You wake up. Your eye begin pain you. They come bring the vaccine. Everybody come dey take am.
Yes.
You see and say the thing not come 2 days like that again.
Yes.
You know when you dey for small pikin, you dey go primary school.
Yes.
Get some kind of people where they come where we small. They will chook our shoulder for here.
Yes.
Shey they chook your hold that time.
Yes.
And na like that the same thing still be. Now, na the same thing na still happen so. You come say you dey fear. You no need to fear.
The people wey dey
You no see governor where governor take
people wey
am.
wan come give us that thing so.
Na our health worker for here, not be foreigner, not be oyibo.
Okay, no, I like that so everybody go take. So make everybody take am.
You go take. Eh?
I go take if na so.
Those people where they fear, wetin you wan tell them? Where they think say they no want to, where they fear.
No be say na that coronavirus wey dey that side. Na dem wan bring come Nigeria. People say everything na gag now.
And now you think say make them dey fear.
Uh-huh.
No, but governor for not use himself to throw away, make them give am na. So as the governor don take, deputy governor don take, we were the ordinary people. Shey we go come still take like that?
I will take.
Thank you. Why you say you not take?
Me?
Why?
I know if we take now.
Why?
Because the way they take the ground, because now they power, now they get money.
And those people where they power, where get money, all of them don't take. So to say they keep person.
They go travel abroad, they'll go wash themselves.
Eh?
They feel wash themselves when they go travel abroad. But we now where be say.
Don't forget, say where they travel go is they still get time for there. They check.
Now me they
You get one thing where you don't know now. Those people to travel abroad now, you get what they call barcode. If you don't take the number where they the bottle where they give you, they go write and put for your data. if you just reach airport or touch the thing, if you never take number no show, you not fit enter the country. How the country go wash am?
tell you so. You know say Nigeria brag don full every day.
Na the whole world coronavirus dey na, not be only Nigeria.
Nigeria how dey different.
Why?
Because you know what I talk even when be say they lock everywhere, people still dey wey be say since when they talk say COVID-19 do this one, do this.
I don't see you carry o. I don't go there o.
Not be fever wey
I don't see this one. Make I show you picture.
You people wey stroke hole.
No, this one.
Na me dey tell you.
Tell you, this one na my own relation. I go, I cry. They say me cannot fear. Only for me to say it can't wear. Now I ain't be the first person where wrong go take vaccine. For abroad. Now, me they tell you, for year address, I'll show you now. For my this thing, I go look people where it happened to.
Now me they tell you so. Say all those one na that vaccine so you not supposed to be say na them by themselves go use am.
They don't take am. It go reach our turn now. They not be who get coronavirus. They take vaccine o. Vaccine be like the one that they give people the days of where would they see polio, where they born children, that they immunize them, where they put for our shoulder. Now that kind of thing I take corner. Everybody.
Both small people.
It get what they call yellow card that time. Adult they take am, children they take am. Now the same thing. When it reach now, if you not take, it may be a problem for you know blame government that time.
Na me I dey talk so because the thing na be like water, abi. It be like water.
Yes, that's all. They'll just put on here now.
But we not go fit take that one.
Why?
They fit take am on their own.
I say they don't take am.
They don't. Na be there na. They go take their own. We go take. God will give us our own. We go take our own like that. As we dey like that, we dey careful.
Is it to fear say I not go take?
Why?
Why I go take? What you go injure me when you go come swell up? What people they fear make them.
Wait, you know they take injection. No, now make people not die. Now make them bring the vaccine. So when you take am, corona not fit kill you again.
6 months. So nothing go do all those ones before we start to go take am.
6 months?
Yes.
But
give us 6 months
you never see who they chop price. They break all your go swell up. You never see who take capsule.
When I give us 6 months insurance, so nothing go do us.
Before we take.
Yes, I will follow the take am.
But if the thing finish that time, you know blame government too.
Nothing go happen to me now. I cannot even believe say coronavirus dey this those states. Yes. Never did this Nigeria. Not only
never did Nigeria. But me, I don't see we do. I go show you now.
What year is it?
For video, them you will see me. I go show you for year. If I show you, you go see and then you come.
Person not die.
What if Nami West now with you they talk?
You know, not Nigeria for career. Not be Nigeria
why?
for career.
Now Nigeria, there I go show you for year. People where you do. Yes, you go see her. You go see who still where. And that will come give you. The treatment they go begin give you the treatment you go wear. Now the vaccine now for you not to fit get an icon so you not go take so that may you not fit get the corona.
I don't fear the coronavirus. I don't say coronavirus will do me. Yes, not people. Yes.
Holy Ghost, if Holy Ghost there your side, you not say me you go stand for road, me trailer jam you. If you stand trailer go jam you.
I don't go the play when the coronavirus go.
You not get where day now everywhere day.
You know you get this over again now. Since that many months, I never enter a month.
Oh, you dey protect yourself and yet. The vaccine now to take and you fit go anywhere. You fit enter anywhere. You fit enter people where get am.
For 6 months, nothing do they fit take am.
Okay. Do malaria medicine. But people where do they wear?
America no know say India no know all those sickness dey.
E dey now. Some sickness dey kill some people.
Hold the whole Nigeria.
And na the matter where hold the world.
Carry matter go that no matter. Then why you are not the two.
Vice President don't take. He don't reach those states now. Governor take yesterday. Deputy Governor take. Imam. All the health people don't take. For like 5 days now. He never disturb anybody. They say go come reach where be ordinary people body. Oga. When he reach uptown, you go take.
This coronavirus. That has the matter. Take you. This that's why I say it come so me not take.
Why?
Well, because HIV. That one fair do the medicine not the Ebola. When they say they call Ebola, that one do the medicine you not come out. All this India, America, they me where they mess or so. They don't know say that time all this one. They don't see the medicine. This one where they bring. Coronavirus, now they get them. You know they.
And now because this one just affect the whole world
once. Affect anything. Like cold sickness.
But Oga, it gets some kind of time. This your dog. Person not fit enter without no wash hand. e no clean. Everything where they buy, you buy all complete because you no want make that kind of thing near your door.
That one, African one. Now government one you be that. I know they take. Not tell you know say when would they come?
No, but you never tell us why you know.
Wait, make I tell you now. When would they include the cup that time? Around 1960 something, come reach 70 something. They get one injection when the sick come. Some of our brothers come turn to disabled. They not call the waka again.
Okay, but they
still get some weight now. When we take school, the mask still get shoulder.
Yes.
They can't still give us for shoulder. So people can't get a
so go swell up.
You can't get this one. They can't see bone. People when you give them the injection, we don't see them again. Then I can't go break another one again.
And that now because a reaction it dey affect people. They will go eat rice. Their eye go swell up.
Wait, make we talk true.
Paracetamol dey affect some people.
If this one now, it react.
Not be everybody.
Can't break another medicine.
Antidote still dey. NAFDAC don't give the order.
My brother, me I know
They can't put antidote in case. Okay, maybe ask another people. Some people say they're not going to take. Okay, you go take.
I thank you now. My country people. Buhari, he don't take. Governor don't take. Who they follow, they don't take. To me, it go hard because the way we see her now, me and you not can understand how it be.
But if you get anybody will life sweet pass or will get money pass. Now president, governor, deputy governor, now they get opportunity to enjoy and they not fear they take. But it gonna make you the fear.
Me the fear
vaccine. You go take.
But I no go take.
Why?
Why? Because you know why I no go take. You see America when you first make sure just now. See they get vaccine and they do their vaccine by themselves. They know what they take with their vaccine. Nigeria na Babiala country. Anything when you can't give them, now they take.
No, the AstraZeneca now that they call the vaccine. Now almost the whole world, even America.
Who do it?
Now India people do
Nigeria
it.
they way they do it. India do it for themselves.
The one where America they use now Nigeria person.
No,
make
our able governor. The one where they want to call give people for public, make a contact from that one.
Yes, now public
They
like
will take by themselves. Me no they take. Because where they come from, I not take vaccine. I not get coronavirus.
So if by the time you not free enter because say you not get the vaccine.
Thank you. For my own, that COVID-19 medicine when it comes, so when it comes from eating, me I go take. Before this program comes, so I don't really to tell some of my friends, say now opportunity for me to take this vaccine. It says that this is the things when we see from government, we say like things when they will give the common people. If I think when we pass this one, they not go call the say they want give us. So I just thank the federal government and most especially those state government when bring this thing come. If me not take now, it's like the Iboma, the 400 billion when they say they put for to acquire this vaccine. They not go there. So like now me I go take. Like 10 times I'm ready. So if I know where they will take and I go before I make my travel.
I will take.
People where they fear where say they not go take. Wait till the message.
Not everywhere clear. Because follow the better no road, you follow one. You not follow the better road, and now you know. The food when not sure you go for your body, you go chop on. The food when not go for you, not chop on.
all those one where they say they take, nobody sees them.
No, they show for television. They show where they put on for Buhari body. They show where they put on for Sibajo body. They can't show where they put on for Governor Baseki body. Yesterday, they show deputy governor. They go open body, they go show am. Now, it go so reach on at all where be elderly people. Some people.
There's one so.
Yes.
There's one so. If the people, our father where the governor where say they can, say they show them. If they don't say it's good, make them take the medicine, but this is what to use.
So when you reach out on you yourself, you will
I will use them.
No, coronavirus. The injection make person not fit get am. He don't come. Governor take yesterday. Deputy governor, everybody will take. He will say reach ordinary people body. Share you yourself, you go take.
I will check now. I will check. I will check.
You not go fear.
No fear. I dey take the shot. I don't want to. My shift.
My people, na do I greet una well. Today I wan beg una, and I wan also tell una say the vaccine wey come for Edo State so e good make everybody go take am when e reach their turn. For now, the turn na for top government official and the doctors and nurses, healthcare workers wey dey work for all these isolation center wey dem dey call frontline workers. Na dem wan start to take the vaccine, and the vaccine wey dem dey give dem na the same vaccine wey dem go give you when e reach your turn. The one wey everybody dey talk now say the vaccine no good o, dem don stop am for some country o, so make una no take, make una no believe dem. Nothing wey no get side effect. Even paracetamol wey dey take, e dey get side effect for body. But the thing wey dey, the good thing wey dey be say, if you get side effect, make you report quickly to the nearest health center wey dey for your area. Dem get things wey dem go give you wey e go make the side effect not do any harm to your body. But we no pray say you go get side effect, because for more than out of almost 1,000 to 2,000 people wey go get this vaccine, e no dey even reach one person wey dey get side effect. Many people don take this vaccine all over Nigeria now. We never hear any reported case wey dem say na so e take am o, na so e happen. So make we not believe most of all this rumor wey dem dey talk. Take the vaccine. When you take the vaccine, e go come work for your body, e go come make your body strong, so that when you your body come in contact with this coronavirus, your body go tell am say, I know you don first come before, you no go fit do me anything, so go. You go see say you go fit withstand am. But if you no take the vaccine, when coronavirus visit you, e go be like stranger for your body. Before you know wetin happen, you go just make cool follow the sickness. So now make we dey beg everybody, when dem come e reach una turn, make you come out come take coronavirus vaccine, make it for better for all of us. Una do. Thank you.
Some people say the one wey dem dey give all these big ogaso na water, na dey put for extra injection. Say if you reach 4 months body, na that one fit kill.
No, the vaccine wey dem dey give, wey dem give governor yesterday, me dey there when the flag off dey take place. I look am well. Na we arrange the cartons. Na I dey there when the director of nursing, the number 1 nurse wey dey for state, na she give governor the injection. She withdraw from the bottle. As she withdraw, na so she give governor, she drop the thing, because dem go count am and dem go return am back. Make everybody for take account of all this injection wey dem dey take. No way wey dem go give water, because as dem give you the injection, e get card wey dem go give you. If you wan travel out of this country, that very card na you go show. And if na fake you take, the get wetin dey for back of that card, we dey call am barcode. If oyibo man scan am, e look am, e go say, hey, wetin be the batch number of the vaccine wey dem give you? If all those things no dey, you no know say na trouble you enter. As you dey take the vaccine, the information dey go one big place wey dem dey collect am for Abuja. As dem dey there, so dem dey collect am, dem dey take record of everything wey dem dey do. So no be water, no be vitamin C or anything wey people go talk. People go always dey cook up story because dem wan spoil the name of the thing. The vaccine na real, and everybody na the same vaccine we wan take. Thank you.
Why when they say a country where it comes, as Zenaka na India, you not sure say na because na third world country, now that big country wan just use type okay leg.
Yes, if you look that one again now, this AstraZeneca vaccine, they don dey use am tey. But suddenly when they come see say the vaccine come dey get, we dey tell am say dey make wave all over the European country and all. So big pharmacy company too They come dey fear say this one dey make wave, okay make we put sansan for their garri. Na dem form wetin we dey call conspiracy theory, say na so people take vaccine, dem get blood clot, na so dem take this one die. E get vaccine wey no get complication. Even the Pfizer for Kano some time ago, people no take Pfizer polio vaccine wey still cause some reaction. No, Pfizer na big company. Pfizer e get vaccine wey dem also make this time around too, although that one we no fit carry am come Nigeria because to store am you need to store am for -80 degrees centigrade. Na be say e go cold well and e go hard, and if you no fit store am like that, e go spoil. E go just be like say na rubbish na person dey take. But AstraZeneca e fit withstand weather to some extent. If you freeze am with your normal ice blocker, no, e go stay. So na make everybody dey go for am because e dey easy to manage. Na dem wan begin to dey spoil the name. Dey say okay we withdraw. If you read the story well, you go see say dem say we dey withdraw am o, but we no see link wey this vaccine get with wetin these people dey complain of. So wetin we come dey talk na be the thing. So make we take the vaccine. Thank you.
Yes, my people, that na program how una see am. We don't confirm am, we don't give you the matter. Remember, the vaccine na AstraZeneca vaccine. No fear. If governor, president, and every other person take am, me and you, we take am. You don't hear the medical person, he don't advise you, can't tell you that effect where you dey think, not be as people talk am. People they eat rice for night, they break their eye, go swell up. People they take headache tablet, it go get reaction for their body. So now the same way it dey for some people body, but the good thing be say NAFDAC they there to make sure say the antidote they go give person where get reaction. E no get who e don kill. People wey carry the rumor say na so e dey disturb, e dey affect. They no fit bring the people wey affect because na minor thing. Make me and you no fear. You wey BT say you dey fear. When e reach our turn, make we take am because people dey wey don take am since now anything no happen. So we take draw the curtain for this program how una see am. Make we do am again. Remember na to save the world and to save the country. Na our leaders dey. Na Edo State dey. Our governor no dey use the people matter take dey play. So anything wey go give us the other side wey go cause bad thing to us, e no go put hand. Make we do am again next week. Na me, una friend, una brother, Odio Omoegbedi Ezuzu, the confirmation chairman. They say una bye bye.